Today I'm going to be making something simple to explain the process a little bit more in depth. The software I use is free and comes included in most Windows products. It is called 3D Builder. And here I'm going to show you a more in-depth, slowed down version of one of my videos so that you can get more of a feel of how quick and easy it can be to 3D model. Here we're going to start with the three simple shapes: the cylinder, the sphere, and a torus. Each one of these together can make the bottle. One for the body of the bottle, one for the curve of the bottle, one for the neck of the bottle, and one for the mouth of the bottle. First we're going to start off with making the bottle body and trying to get the proper shape of the turn. So I'm going to extend it up here, and then I'm going to merge them together to make a solid body. I accidentally made a mistake on there and we quickly made up for it. Alright, now to make the neck of the bottle. Yet this is very simple with the software. Is just centering the second cylinder on the first cylinder and then shrinking it evenly so that it remains centered. Here I'm going to stretch out the neck to make it a little better of a bottle. And now I need to shorten it and now merge it. Now to make the lip of the bottle. Going to try and center this as much as possible, and then I'm going to shrink it down evenly just like I did for the neck. Going to make it so that it has a little bit sticking up, so it has kind of that evenly rounded shape. As you can see, it's really come out very close, and now all I need to do is merge, and why not paint it to make it look a little more like a bottle. Here I'm going to use sort of this orangish brown just to kind of make it look like some type of liquor bottle. And here you have it, a full bottle. And that just goes to show you that if you have a computer and a little imagination, it can go a long way. I hope you enjoyed, and please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.